Welcome to my channel. On this video, we are going to be touring the whole southeast to show you some of the most beautiful cities in the eastern part of Nigeria. Eastern part of Nigeria have some of the most beautiful cities in Nigeria and some of the most busiest cities in Nigeria. On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the most beautiful cities in the eastern part of Nigeria. So keep tuned and see some of the most beautiful cities in the eastern part of Nigeria. Enjoy. The first city in our list is Owerri. Owerri is the capital city of Imo State and also the largest city of Imo State. Owerri is one of the most popular city in the eastern part of Nigeria. In Owerri, you can get many things, and most of the things that are common in Owerri is hotels. You will see beautiful hotels and a lot in Owerri. I hope you enjoy yourself. How do you see Owerri? So the next city in our list is Onitsha. Onitsha is the largest city but not the capital city of Anambra State. Onitsha is one of the most busiest city in the eastern part of Nigeria, and also is the city that they located the largest market in the whole West Africa, which is the Onitsha main market. So you can take good look at Onitsha and rate Onitsha. You can drop your comment below and rate Onitsha, how beautiful Onitsha looks. So enjoy. You see how beautiful Onitsha looks. GRA Onitsha. You see how beautiful it looks. So the next city in our list is in the same Anambra State, Awka, the capital city of Anambra State. So you can take a good look at Awka and see how beautiful Awka look, how they arranged the whole buildings in place. So just enjoy yourself. Which city do you think is the most beautiful? Just drop your comment below and don't forget to like this video. So the last city in our list is Enugu. Enugu is the capital city of Enugu State. Enugu is the main place they know East, because they regard Enugu as the capital of East. That's where the governors, everybody hosts the Eastern meeting. So Enugu is a very well arranged place, so you can take good look at Enugu, the sky view of Enugu, and see how beautiful Enugu looks. So these are some of the most beautiful cities in the eastern part of Nigeria. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you like what I'm doing on this channel. Support me, just subscribe. Subscription is free, and thank you for watching. Peace.